Hello and welcome back, friends. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and transformative topics in finance, the future of green investing. The world is changing rapidly. Climate change, energy transitions, and sustainable innovation are no longer just social or environmental issues, they are investment opportunities. In fact, experts predict that by 2030, sustainable assets could account for more than half of all global investments. But what does that mean for everyday investors like you and me? And how can you position yourself to benefit from this shift? Let's break it down. Green investing, also called sustainable or ESG investing, focuses on companies and projects that prioritize environmental responsibility. Think renewable energy, electric vehicles, clean water technology, sustainable agriculture, and even companies committed to reducing carbon emissions. It's not just about feeling good about your investments, it's about recognizing where the future of money is heading. Governments, corporations, and consumers are all demanding cleaner and smarter solutions. That demand creates growth, and growth creates opportunity. Here's why this matters right now. Governments worldwide are pledging net zero emissions by 2050. That requires trillions of dollars in new infrastructure, renewable energy, and green technology. Consumer behavior is shifting. People are choosing electric cars, sustainable brands, and eco-friendly lifestyles. And investors are rewarding companies with strong sustainability records. In fact, companies with high ESG ratings often show better long-term performance than those ignoring sustainability. The point is simple: green investing is no longer optional. It's becoming the new standard. So where will the biggest opportunities be? Let's look at a few sectors shaping the future. Renewable energy, solar, wind, hydro, and now hydrogen are leading the charge. Solar costs have dropped nearly 90% in the past decade, making it the fastest growing energy source. Electric vehicles, EVs, Tesla may have started the wave, but now every major automaker is racing to electrify. This creates opportunities not just in cars, but in battery technology, charging infrastructure, and supply chains. Green real estate, buildings consume about 40% of global energy. Smart, energy-efficient buildings are becoming a massive market. Sustainable agriculture and water tech, feeding the world sustainably, will be a $10 trillion opportunity by 2050. Companies working on plant-based foods, precision farming, and clean water access are on the rise. Carbon markets and climate tech, new innovations like carbon capture and emission trading systems are opening unique investment pathways that barely existed 10 years ago. These are not futuristic ideas, they're happening right now. Of course, every opportunity has risks. Green investing is no exception. Greenwashing, some companies exaggerate their sustainability claims to attract investors. Always research before buying in. Policy dependence, many green initiatives depend on government incentives or subsidies. Changes in policy could affect returns. Volatility, emerging industries like EVs or hydrogen energy can be extremely volatile. Prices rise and fall quickly as technologies evolve. Smart investors balance optimism with realism. The key is diversification and long-term vision. If you're wondering how to invest in this space, here are some practical ways. Green ETFs and mutual funds, these funds invest in baskets of sustainable companies, giving you broad exposure. Individual stocks, look at leaders in renewable energy, EVs, or sustainable tech. Companies like NextEra Energy, Tesla, and Ørsted are often highlighted, but research carefully. Green bonds, governments and corporations issue bonds to fund renewable and sustainable projects. They're relatively stable and socially impactful. Private equity and startups, for high-risk, high-reward investors, green startups offer opportunities to get in early. The best approach? Start small, diversify, and grow as you learn. So what does the future look like? Analysts believe the next 2 decades will bring the largest transfer of wealth in history into sustainable industries. By 2050, the global green economy could surpass $100 trillion. Imagine a future where nearly every car is electric, homes generate their own solar power, cities run on smart grids, and food is grown with minimal environmental impact. That's not science fiction, it's the direction the world is heading. And investors who position themselves now will be ahead of the curve. The future of green investing is about more than money, it's about shaping a sustainable planet while building wealth. It's proof that profit and purpose can go hand in hand. So ask yourself, will you be a spectator in this transformation, or will you be an investor helping to build the future? Thanks for watching. If you found this valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the future of investing.